Guys, in today's video, we are going to be showing you how to fix a scratch on a car in like 5 minutes. Hello everyone, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And yes guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly fix a scratch on your car, and it's only going to cost a couple dollars. So guys, I don't care if you have a little chip of paint. I don't care if you have a scratch, a deep scratch, if something doesn't buff out. This can be easily fixed if you just do what I tell you to do. So basically guys, what you want to do is buy stickers. If you can tell right here, I have a little scratch. Let's see, let's focus. Hopefully this thing focuses. Come on. There you go. That little scratch or something doesn't buff out and it runs underneath the sticker. Now, from the outside, you won't be able to tell. Buy yourself some stylish stickers and match it on both sides. So I got Yokohama brand on this side, and on this side I got Continental Tire brand. Simple solution. Just make it matching, make it look like it's purposely there, and that'd be great. If you have a scratch around your bumper, guys, what's going to be even cooler is you may want to put a band-aid sticker over your little scratch. A lot of car people actually put band-aids as a joke. So if you have a scratch, you can put a sticker, literally. And another good thing you could do, guys, is some of the parts that you can buy online is you can replace the entire mirror, obviously, but that'd be expensive. They actually sell covers, carbon fiber covers you can put over your mirror on some car models, as well as you can wrap the whole mirror in carbon fiber and not worry about the scratch at all. Just make sure you do it on the other mirror on the other side the same exact way. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2064 turn right. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.